You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
Joma! Where is Dugood, my love? Which hospital was he taken to?
What happened to my brother? Are you not aware? Aware of what? Talk!
There was an incident with my mother and Manga said that he was rushed to the hospital.
I said which hospital was he taken to?
If I knew the hospital, I wouldn't be here asking you.
Okay, I said let me take permission. Can I go? Let me go and look for something to eat or change my clothes and come back. I do good work. Okay, welcome me. Look at.
My love, Dugood, hey, is this you?
Yes.
Hey, what happened to you? Are you okay? Where have you been? Your friend said you admitted at the UNTH. Are you alright?
Me do good work back. Admitted at the UNTH.
Yes.
Says who?
This your Chakomaka friend. He said that your blood was flowing like a river.
No. It's just that your mother came actually. So we had one or two. She hit my shoulder. She hit my shoulder.
She did what?
She hit my shoulder, so the bone got disjointed. I had to go to Mazi Amadi's place to go and fix it. It was heavy anyway, but my love, this is not. I shouldn't be telling you what happened, because I love you so much. It's not everything that I will report to you. You understand? And I want you to also know that, because I love you so much, no amount of evil that can befall me that will make me change my love for you. Nothing.
My love, I don't trust you.
No,
You can't even allow me to touch you. You are telling me that is nothing.
No.
It's written all over your face and your body. You are in big pain.
No.
Very strong pain. But you are covering up for my mother.
No.
You are covering up for her.
It's just that,
You are okay. I thought you said you are okay.
No, I'm okay. No evil, no weapon fashioned against me shall pro. Baby, I love you so much.
You see that woman? You see that my mother? She will have me to contend with.
It's okay.
I'm coming.
They are doing good.
When you come back to the house, we have a lot to talk about. Because in here, it is getting out of hand.
It's okay, don't worry yourself. So.
Manga.
So Manga, you opened your mouth to tell Ife nonsense, tell everybody rubbish. Because I remembered I told you that I was going to Mazi Amadi's place to go and fix my bone. So you went and told Ife and every other person that I was taken to hospital. Blood splitted everywhere. So Manga, this is how you lie. This is how you lie, Manga. Manga, let me tell you, whether you call Manga la Banga, or Bangu, you are going to, in fact, right now as I speak to you, Manga, you are fired. Leave this place. I said you are fired. Leave this place now. Don't please me. In fact, if there's anybody you are supposed to apologize to, go and apologize to that man. In fact, Manga, I am convinced, I don't need a suicide to tell me that failure is your success. Failure is your destiny. Failure is your call. In fact, anything that has to do with fail is your reason. Because if you had the sense, if that wasn't your calling, you are serving somebody, a man who owns a provision store, a week to your settlement, you went and stole expensive cream just because you want to look good. I have always known you. In fact, by right, you're supposed to go to township to go and be doing gigolo. That is your profession. You went and stole cream. This is the reason you are this yellow. What are you beautifying yourself for? Are you a woman? Are you a lady? Are you a girl? Why will you go and steal cream just to beautify yourself? Manga, get out from this place.
Do good.
Manga, don't do good to me. Get out from this place. Go and apologize to that man. That is what you're supposed to be doing.
Do good, please now.
By the way, remove this shirt. I gave it to you. Remove this shirt and wear this nonsense you came with. I gave you my shirt believing that you were a good person. You're a nice person. Remove it. And secondly, Manga, Don't forget to, another one. You see that my bicycle you went and used to borrow money from Okeke. Make sure you collect my bicycle back. Oh. Whatever transaction you had with him, that is your business. But bring me my bicycle. As a matter of fact, that bicycle you see is my Benz. Age me agamba, na lota. Occasion ko puro, how you go? Church, young. That is my Benz. Bring it back for me.
I would like to go to America with the Nigerian Airways. I hear that they give apple. Those other Oyibo airlines will not give us apple. At least one to know that we're Niger. But how many hours would it take me to get there?
Like 12 to 13 hours.
12 to 13 hours. Come on, Onoche. Hey! What do you go? But it doesn't really matter. As long as I get to where I'm going to. America. Is it Canada or
Mama! Mama! What did you do to do good, Nwakpaka, the love of my life? What did you do to him?
The only love that you have is Charlie B. Walking out, manko. Hey!
Yeah. Madam Aduka Akwa. $5,000 for you.
$5,000. Jello, let me tell you, the only husband you have is walking out, manko. Walking a mogo with ego. Walking a $100 more na la wanya. No, that is not Bakasigini Kipolia. Do good, Nwakpaka. They're going to cast ya nada. Nwakpaka.
Madam Aduka Akwa. Extra $5,000. Came on, man.
Charlie B. Oh, Gozulezu. Oh, go na mapotanko. Chai. Oh, gonna have your child.
Mister. What is wrong with you? What is your problem? Listen to me and listen very good. You see me? If it's not, I will never marry you. Do good Nwakpaka is the love of my life. Oh, Nyawotom. The only man I'll marry on this planet Earth. So if you like, continue wasting your money on my mother. Foul. Okay, unless we want to marry her. Because the way I'm looking at you, mama, maybe if I escape you, it's my mother. Yes, so I'm making a
my choice. Calm down. I will beat the devil inside her out. Then she will turn around and call you Charlie Bay, my love. Aye! Biko, when you did it?
No problem. You've done enough, huh? Yeah, you've done well. Chinipo, come here. Bruto. Manya can make pigeon gold. Double tell him $10,000. Can you know what
$10,000? Charlie B, na manko. Charlie B, na my dollars.
Madam Aduka.
Oh, be fast.
Go and change it. Emale go no naira. You will have to attack.
Are you then?
You know the ego making it.
Hey, Charlie B. Hey!
No, if I had known, I would have told my sister to cut more.
Do good, Nwakpaka.
Again now.
Yes, sir. Do good, I don't come back again. Abi, you get assignment today?
No, my brother. You losing my tools, boss. Manga, stand up, go and grease this bicycle. Make sure you grease it inside, deep inside. Put enough grease inside. Yeah?
Okay. I'm happy. No. I won't give you.
Let me hold it for you.
For what?
Get there, grease.
I don't
Anyway, grease.
What is the nomenclature of the problem?
Do good, I talk to him, I beg.
Oh?
See, let me tell you, Manga, make sure anything you're doing, do it properly. Because if you make any mistake, turn this in and grease it very well. I don't blame you. Sit down, my brother. Sit down. Hi. Take grease
very well. Grease it very, very well. Should I use my hand?
Use your tongue. Do it there. All the while you've been seeing me greasing this thing. Don't you see the way I do it? Yeah? Grease is going to touch the mama here or Gala freeway. Here. On how much? Does it match it?
It doesn't move very well.
Doesn't move very well. Yeah, not how much. It matches. No, put more grease. Concentrate on the chain.
Brother, thank God you are back. Yes.
Oh, were you looking for me?
Yes.
Okay.
You never since we lost Mama and Papa. You are all I have in this world.
So, what are you trying to say?
Brother, I don't want to lose you. That is my point.
You don't want to lose me. I don't understand the. What do you mean by you don't want to lose me? Am I not the one here now?
Brother, isn't it obvious that Mama Arukakwa doesn't want you around her daughter? She wants her daughter to marry that American man. So leave her and her daughter alone. Leave them alone. Me, I don't want to lose you.
Are you done with your national anthem? If it is because of Ifesi that you're talking like this, you're giving, I don't want advice. Anything that concerns Ifesi, I don't want advice on that at all. Let nobody advise me, because nothing on this earth is going to stop my marriage, my love with Ifesi. Not even her mother, not even anybody can stop my wedding. Let me tell you, this wedding is not going to be a small picking wedding. I am going to wed Ifesi in the very before of everybody in this village. This wedding that I am planning with Ifesi is not Kwekwe wedding, no. It's not Cherekambia wedding. It's not a child wedding. This wedding is a wedding that I have submitted my jingle to all the radio stations in the eastern region. Obosi Minaj has it. NTH and Etenaba, Gia. Even Port Harcourt, listen, Gia. They only asked me to go and raise small money and bring to them. Of which, if I gather all this money now and send to them, they'll begin to earn my jingle.
No.
So this wedding is not going to be a small wedding, no.
You should have submitted it to CNN now.
Go and be hustling to raise money. Buy yourself a befitting clothes for that wedding. I don't want you to come there with a rag. Wear nice befitting clothes for wedding.
Brother, I'm not doing the gift. I'm not doing the gift. Eh?
Is that a question?
No, it's an answer.
Oh, yeah. So why are you asking? Let me tell you, respect yourself. I am sure you've not taken bribe. Are you with me or you against me?
Keep enhancing.
So if I defend myself outside, I will even come house to come and defend myself too. Choma, I'm defending the Choma outside, hoping to come back to the house to come and eat. And then why defend the woman? No. Are you with me or you against me, Choma? Good. Let it not be that this man is no bribe. Choma, have you taken bribe? On your bro, mother habo can I go church? They habo can I go church on your bro with Choma? It's all right. Mama is going to hear this thing. I'm Papa. What am I?
I'm done with the book. I don't know how to make someone fall in love.
Are you serious?
Yes, now.
Hey! That was a good one. No? But Nneka, come to think of it, how do you think he's going to drop Ifesi and marry you?
Yeah.
Eh? Knowing fully well that she means the whole world to him.
Forget that one. See, I'm doing my underground work. Besides, Mrs. Arukakwa will never for anything allow Ifesi to marry Do-Good Nwapaka. And I was reliably told that Do-Good does not know what awaits him from what his late father kept with my father. So, you see, my dream is intact.
Nneka. Alright though, if you say so, let's watch and see.
Just don't worry. Just watch and see.
Hey!
Are you serious? Yes, ma'am.
Now to the big move.
The big move, boss?
Yes. I want you to get me a list of drinks and all the items needed to pay a dowry. And to pay it as soon as I can.
But boss...
No but. Just do as I have said. And be fast about it.
Alright, boss.
Hey, Manga. I'm going to see your friend, my love. Is he around?
He did not tell you.
Tell me what?
Dugu should have told you now. I don't know why Dugu is always behaving like this. He should have told you.
Tell me what? You're scaring me.
Dugu traveled to Aba to go and buy bicycle parts. And he said he will not be back in 2 weeks. And that is if he sees it in Aba. If he doesn't see it in Aba, he will cross from there to Calabar. From Calabar, if he doesn't see it, then he will go to Cameroon. And that will take like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, even a month before he comes back. I don't know why Dugu did not tell you.
Manga, wait though. Are we talking about the same person? Do good, my love. Traveled.
Do good, himself. He even told me to take care of you while he's away. That instead of me, I did not agree. I said no, I will not do that kind of thing. But after second thought and second consideration, I said instead of leaving you alone, a fine girl like you, I know you'll be missing your love while he's away. I agreed, instead of leaving you just like that. 2 weeks to 1 month is a very long time to leave you alone, to be alone.
Manga. Manga. Manga, I'm suspecting you. How can my love that we agreed to see somewhere and do something very important suddenly go to Aba, Kisno, Calabar, Kokotonu, all of a sudden, without telling me, his love? But Diego, listen to me, Manga. Let this not be one of those your lies you go around this village telling no. Because if it is, you see yourself.
Hey! They agreed to do something. They agreed to do something. What could that be? Nobody wants to do something with this girl. This girl and Lakoka. This girl has gone. No, I must spoil it.
Warn him. You forgot that your stupid brother. Warn him. Warn him. Stupid man. He wants to marry my daughter. My daughter, that beautiful girl. Look at your brother. Look at him. Looking like one forgotten cockroach in the church. Look at my daughter. He wants to marry her. Hey! If he insists on marrying my daughter, I got you. They will look for him. See, I know if I'm Gwalia. Bicycle repairer. Bicycle on not in one hour. Does he have any money? Poor riffraff. Mobbling this nonsense. Money more. Ayacho. This is getting serious. Do good, Baka. You have to leave this girl or she leaves you. I will make sure that one happens. I can't lose Mama and Papa. Now, my one and only brother. Hi, Mbano, do good, please. Because you no leave this girl for Aroka Akwa. Because
my love, let me understand you very well. You mean Mangala said all these things?
Yes, my love. But that's not why we are here.
So why are we here?
I had a dream last night. So I want us to do blood covenant. Yes, my love. So that our love will remain forever. Nothing can ever separate us. Oh.
Eh?
Yes.
Blood covenant?
Yes. I want us to do it here and now. I came with razor blade. See, razor blade. I came with razor blade. Let us do it here and now. Give me your hand. Bring your hand. I thought you said you love me.
But see, you didn't do this one well. You think that will work well. So you can try well. You just scatter it very here. Hello? Charlie B, Kedu? How are you? Yes. You want to come and pay my daughter's dowry? Wow. No, that is good. You want it on a low key, but you know, I have to go and talk to her father's brother. Yes. No, whatever he tells me, I will call you back. Straight out. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Charlie B wants to come and pay your sister's dowry. Hey! Yes! Wow! He doesn't want anybody to know. So you go and pack the chairs and we'll set up this back. We won't do it at the front, eh? Hurry up, Hey! America, here we come. Well, it's okay. It's sudden, but anything that will make you take my daughter to America, I am in support. I can't just focus. America? Here I come. Wow. Thank God I met you here. I was actually on my way to your house. There's something very important I would like to discuss with you.
I hope there's no problem.
No problem. Something that will benefit us, sure, the whole community.
Odima, what is it?
It's not what we'll stand here to talk about. It's either we go back to your house or you come to mine, then we will discuss.
Well, let's go to your house. I'm actually going for a meeting, so when I finish with you, I'll now go for the meeting.
Okay. It's not a small thing.
Come. Let me tell you, there's no point of you running. There's no point of you pretending like all is well. Because I know all is not well. Ifesi told me all the lies you told her. So there's no point of you pretending like all is well. Because they are not well.
Sorry. Don't be offended. You will not understand. I will not understand.
Look at you. I will not understand. Manga, let me tell you. If you are the original Mangala, I will not use it to cook soup. Muregi poison. Because the only worst thing I did to myself is making you my friend. You, Manga, you went and told plenty lies to Ifes. In fact, the one that pains me more is that you did not just lie in our own currency. You lied in English. You lied in French. You lied in Arabic. You lied in Greek. You even lied in Yoruba. I want to know, what was your aim for all those lies you told Ifes? What was your gain? What was your purpose?
Do good. Like I said, you will not understand. And you will never understand. So don't worry.
Go and sit down. Go. Who are you giving that sermon? You should be thankful to God. In fact, go and look for any church, available church, and give thanksgiving. Because I am in my right mood. If I wasn't, I would have so dealt with you. Scrape all your beers. There will be no more beers remaining on your cheek. Because what you did to me, Manga, let me tell you. I am in my right mood. Because why? I have cemented my relationship with Ifesi. With covenant. But you okay? Covenant? Mba, Venkona. Venconant. Let me tell you. You see, Ifesi, she's mine today. Ifesi is mine tomorrow. Ifesi is mine next tomorrow. In fact, Ifesi is mine forever. No man, no woman can take her away from me. Let Aruka Akwa, that Madam Aruka Akwa, whatever she's called, let her continue with her Monimis Road guy. Whatever thing they are doing, let them continue doing it. As for that girl, nobody can take her away from me. She's mine. Go on. You have lied everywhere. The only place remaining for you to lie now is in state. Go and lie in state. I am done and dusted, and that is it.
Hey!
Where is gone?
Eh?
So this is how I lost this girl.
All my dreams, all my aspirations, everything gone. Covenant! Do good covenant! Hey! I've lost this girl. Oh. Hey! I know what to do. Hey, covenant!
You telling me, Mama, our great in-law, Mama, American Mama. Yes.
50,000.
Oh, no, Namaka.
Mama, Uncle, what is going on here?
Your dowry. Eh? Your dowry. You are not a rich woman. Welcome to wealth. In fact, if you go in America, you are now Mrs. Charlie. Welcome to America. American babe. Hey. Charlie, be your uncle.
America wonder. Come and see. America wonder.
America wonder.
Come and see.
America wonder.
Ever seen
America wonder.
See it now.
America wonder.
See it now.
America wonder.
Mbombo,
Charlie Bari Dayima. Oya Jivelese, Namada Forenaya. Oya Jivelese, Namada Forenaya. Charlie Bari Dayima. Charlie Bari Dayima. Oya Jivelese, Namada Forenaya. Oya Jivelese, Namada Forenaya. Charlie Bari Dayima.
Where are you going to?
Eh? Don't I have the right to go here alone?
Well, that is not my problem. See, we have to talk.
About what?
About that Ife of a girl. You have to put an end to whatever it is you have with her.
Choma, I have told you time with that number. Stop advising me on anything that concerns Ifesi. I don't want an advice from anybody, not even you, my sister. Don't advise me. In case you don't know, let me break it to you. You see, Ifesi and I took an oath. We're under a this one is too late because we've already taken the oath. There's nobody on this planet Earth, not even you, my sister, not even anybody on this earth can put us apart except death. Onwu is the only reason that Ifesi and I are going to go our ways.
Even when her mother, Arokakwa, made it very clear to you that she will never live to see you marry her daughter.
That is Arokakwa you called. What is the meaning of Arokakwa? Body that is bigger than clothes. That is what she is. She is not Aroka love. So there's no arrow that can color my love with Ifesi. And I just told you now, Choma, that Ifesi and I are under an oath. Why are you talking too much? Why can't you shut up and leave me? Is it your love? Yeah? Ifesi. Okay.
The worst has happened.
What happened?
That money Miss Roadman is in my compound with his people.
Okay, they came to sweep.
No, they paid my dowry.
My dear, go and marry your husband. Leave my brother alone. I
want to know, is this in Is it a joke or is it related to truth?
My love is not a joke. It's
just that it hits.
Let's go to our love zone and talk. Let's go and talk.
I wanted to go to the. He said they came. They pay.
You better go and marry him. You better marry him and allow my brother to concentrate on his job. Allow him to concentrate, Biko. Ha! So good luck.
Loto.
Boss.
Now I have gotten what I want.
Yes, boss. I know you always get what you want. I know.
I am Charlie B. Ezenko. Olego no Ukego. I can never go wrong.
Aroka, my sister. Today is the happiest day in my life. Imagine, he paid 50,000 naira for dowry. And out of it, you gave me 20,000 naira. Oh, I'm happy. I am happy.
You're a good brother-in-law. Let me even tell you. Do you know that Charlie B gave me some dollars? He said I should change it and use it and start any kind of business of my choice. And guess what? I asked around. With the present exchange rate, hey! I can start any kind of business I want. Yes. Obulna lace, anomia. Obulna baby things, anomia. Obulna adult shoes, anything I want to do.
Hey, if you go Lochuku, I was actually going for a meeting, and if you go in that meeting, they say we should pay a levy of 200 naira. And here I am, in a greater meeting. I am going back home with 20,000 naira. And I know you, a generous giver. You will give me part of that dollar.
See, the hand that gives keeps receiving.
Bono.
So I will give you. That one is not, because if I don't give to you, it will not enter.
If you go,
I will give you, and God will provide from another.
Amen. And anytime dollar man needs his wife, he is prepared to take his wife. I will give him his wife. I am equal to the task. Anyone on there, I am above them. Let him come and take his wife.
America. Here I come. Plane in Feifa. Hey! Jet Tiger. We found out where? Fighter jet. Anyone. You see that kind of canvas that Charlie B wears? I'll buy it for you. You think Zianya no Gonzaga? Or Dieu? Size 15. It didn't show your size. Hey! Guess what? May go to deodorant. Macona will hit Messia.
This is the one.
Oh, this is fully.
My love, let us run away.
To where? To where? See, I'm not going an inch from my father's land. I cannot run and I will not run from my own father's land. For what?
My love, please. I'm the one talking to you. Listen, I know my mother very well. She's very desperate. She can do anything. She can even sell herself to realize her dream. Biko, please do this for me.
Come rain, come sun. That thing that will happen tomorrow, let it happen today. Why will I run away from another man? There's no man, there's no woman that can make me leave my father's land.
I'm the one talking to you. Don't want us to be together.
As much as I want us to be together, it doesn't mean that I should shy away from my responsibilities. Okay. Is it a crime for somebody not to be rich? Is it a crime? Did I design myself not to be rich? I'm not going anywhere.
You're my choice. Do good, do carry me, waka, you're my lover. Because love I need Galileo. Because this love will cost money. Because love I need Galileo. Because this love will cost money.
Nne, Obi, ya, ebe kunu sikwa? Ebe kunu esi afia?
For where?
You want no cookies?
I bought it for you and your brother, especially your brother.
Osuresu ogini kwa? O win na lottery ko.
You know now, you should understand. Let me tell you what people are saying. They said your brother is a bicycle repairer and he had limited future.
Well, limited future.
But to me, I see brighter future in him. That was why I came and borrowed that book from you. And I finished reading it. So I finally now come to show you and him how much I want to be with him.
You mean all this for my brother?
Yes.
So I know it. I know you like my brother. Well, you came at the right time. Because that, what's that her name? Ife
Sinachi.
Whatever her name is, I don't even want to know. Her mother vowed that she would never be alive and see my brother marry her daughter.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
That is interesting. I love that.
She almost killed my brother the other day now.
Hey!
My dear, my brother really has to switch over to you.
Yes, so.
For him to live longer for me because he's the only one I have in this world though.
Yes, so.
I can't afford to lose him.
Well, only if you know how much I belong to be with him now.
You're already his. I will make sure. I will show that girl that my brother has a beautiful girl that desires him.
And I want also.
Where is he? Mr. Dugu, where is he?
He went to Onitsha. He went to bypass, but he will soon be back. Because he left since morning.
We'll come back.
I'll be back.
No, man, here.
No, we'll go and come back.
If I come back,
don't bother.
Hey! Oh, they want to do good now, Coco.
Just give it to him, yeah?
prepare it very well for him. You can't prepare it.
You trust no. Do good at Coco. Hey!
Sinachi, Jalupo, what is this NYSC posting that suddenly it came on overnight?
Oh, Mama, the posting came out now. I have to hurry up. Or don't you want me to enter the camp? You want all my years in the Polytechnic to go to waste?
Oh, no. But what about your husband, Chalibi? He needs to know where you've been posted to, so he can visit you from time to time.
Okay, Mama, he's in Taraba State. Don't worry, I will call Chalibi.
But I'm sure you don't have his number.
Sorry, please give me his number.
Don't worry, I'll send it to your phone. Okay.
Mama, while you're sending the number, I have to get going. I want to take the night.
I've sent it.
Okay. I'll call him later. I have to take the night bus so I can do the registration in the morning. Oh.
Wait, before you go, let me give you some money now. You know Charlie B sprayed us. Guess how much I got? 100,000 naira. I'll give it to you for being a good girl. Yeah, take. When we get to Taraba, be a good girl. Behave yourself. Let them know that you're from a good home. And please embrace Charlie B. He is our visa to America.
Oh. Like I said, I will call him and let me get going.
Mrs. Charlie B, Jamal. Charlie B, Mrs. Hey. America. Here I come. When I get to America, the things I will buy. Go to Boogaloo. I like that style. Then those 3 inches of high heel. Abola. Bamba. Amagomi fenge spaghetti strap. Chai! America cannot wait. Chalukele. Where's that my phone? Hi. Ngo, baby. Hello. Ngo. I'm on my way to America. You want to know how? I will tell you later. But if I have my phone. God. Take care. Can't get this neck. Boy.
In fact, you see that thing Delilah did to Samson. That is what I will do to him now.
You will not understand. You will never understand.